So we just got done switching the tires in the grain on the combine grain cart around because a few years ago we had a wet fall when these tires are getting worn, and these Titan tires, you could about piss in front of them and you'd be stuck. Anyways, I don't like those tires, but we couldn't get around on the hills, and when we bought this grain cart, we got the grain cart used, but it had brand new tires on it. So we ended up, they're same size, so we ended up switching them so that way the combine would have better traction, because you can't beat these Firestone tires. But we told them when we was talking about trading that the good tires didn't go with it, because those Titans, they're known for sidewall problems and all the way to the grain cart on it. It was just a matter of time before we was gonna have problems, and we didn't really want to spend the money and put new tires on the combine, so we just switched them, and it worked for the time being. But we got the originals back on. I didn't mind the white rims on the combine because that's the way the newer ones looked. It looked just fine, but that New Holland yellow on that grain cart I thought was ugly, and it drove me crazy. So now it's back to the way it should be. Looks a lot better. The combine looks like the rest of the 98s now with the yellow rims. So now all we gotta do is blow the combine off and get it washed. And I think we're not going to go through it real thorough on a bath, but we're just going to knock all this year's dust off of it. And then I think it sounded like the new combine was actually, they had a few things they were doing to it. They were finishing that up today, this afternoon. So maybe in the morning we'll go after it.